Hello everyone. Are you losing your focus on anything you are doing because of the notifications in your phone? Don't worry. In this video, I will show how to turn off notifications and schedule them for opening later. We are going to do that in an application called Postbox Pro. The direct download link is provided in the description box of this video. Install the app and open it. Allow the app for accessing notification. Open the whitelist settings and select the apps which you still needed to get notifications. Open the delivery settings for removing or adding new times for scheduling to access your notifications. You can also see the new notifications by clicking the See Notifications Now. You can also clear them. You can always turn off the app by simply clicking the button on the top. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Bye.